Miriam here, your holistic therapist. As a practitioner now almost 10 years, and as someone who's personally healed autoimmune Hashimoto's thyroid issues and naturally balanced hormones, a lot of people don't believe my age. A lot of people don't believe how many children I have and all the things that I'm able to do. And there's a few different reasons for that. I've learned a few things over the years. A lot of people do not realize that there are things that build up in our system over time. And of course, there's a little wear and tear as we're not necessarily getting younger, but there's a lot of environmental toxins and the additives in foods, the preservatives and things that we might breathe in, things that we might put on our skin and not realize have little tiny particles that are building up over time. These things are actually blocking hormone receptor sites and interfering with the balance of different hormones, as well as affecting the thyroid and actually causing blockages that are affecting not just our TSH. There's actually numerous things that should be tested when it comes to thyroid and autoimmune that a lot of times are not. And if our lymphatic system and our liver are not able to properly flush those things out, over time they build up and cause issues. The good news is there's a way to address it. The second thing is a lot of people don't realize that, again, life is busy, time, wear and tear, the stress, the lack of sleep, in combination with the inflammation from the environmental toxins, is actually impacting our nervous system in such a way that the signals are not clearly communicating what is going on. And that causes issues with the pituitary gland, the thyroid, and other hormones. This dysregulation or dissonance causes a disconnection where our cortisol and stress are up a little too high for too long. That is causing some inflammation and, again, imbalance. It's also causing an imbalance in a lot of those neurotransmitters like our serotonin and dopamine and oxytocin. Those directly are impacting our thyroid as well as our other hormones. The third one is that a lot of people don't realize we're not getting enough bioavailable micronutrients and minerals from our foods. Even if you're eating healthy and you're eating organic and maybe you've eliminated the gluten like I did as well, or all those things, you've eliminated a lot of the processed sugar. Those are all great things. However, we would have to consume almost 200 pounds of fresh organic produce a day and have all those receptor sites cleared and everything, the lymphatic properly clearing to absorb and use the enough of the bioavailable minerals. The issue is when we aren't getting enough of that, our body's metabolizing through every day a large amount of minerals, just like a car uses fuel. If we are not properly replenishing, it does impact the thyroid, hormones, blood sugar, actually our insulin sensitivity, which means our body's ability to take food and turn it into fuel rather than storing it as fat. Our nervous system is also affected. Our brain function, that means memory, clarity, focus, and motivation, as well as those neurotransmitters. The good news is there's absolutely a way to fix these things. So make sure you connect with me here and I'll get you all the details on how you can shift some daily routines and really simple things. Actually, it does take a little bit of time and effort and consistency, but you absolutely can restore balance in these areas.